up, y'all? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we are doing some more maintenance in the garden. It's still winter time. Spring is right around the corner, so there are a few more things that I want to get done before it's time to plant my annuals. So a couple things that we need to do. We need to fertilize. We need to cut back the hydrangeas. We need to move the hydrangeas, pull out the mums from the left garden bed and get that prepared for the coleus to go back in. What else? That may be all. I don't think we'll do all of those things today, but we're gonna try to get a good head start. So let's get into it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking.
I forgot to mention that I have these 1 gallon creeping phlox plants that I got from Home Depot yesterday, I believe. And these are my current creeping phlox, and they look so good. They started out tiny. I got them buy one get one free in like October, November last year. So they were super tiny, and the growth they've shown has been awesome. But I saw these and they look so healthy and so big. I couldn't pass it up, so we'll also be getting these in the ground today as well.
How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
Soil.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Today, then catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love, still love it, still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. We don't just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. You love me. You love me.
This is the Quickfire Hydrangea. I have one on each side, so that I just trimmed the other one a second ago. Y'all just saw. And I want these to be more like a tree form, not anything super formal, because I don't know how to do that, and they were already pretty big when I bought them. But if you see, these are two separate trunks, basically. So now I'm considering, because I'm going to be moving these forward anyway. I planted them too close to the house. They get too big to be there. Now I'm thinking about splitting it, though. I'm thinking about splitting this one, and then maybe planting the second one here, and then moving my Invincibelle rubies off to the sides further. It's really gonna depend on what it looks like when I dig it up to move it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm intrigued though. I think maybe the last thing we're gonna do for today is get these mums pulled out. Depending on how I feel after that, which that's not gonna take much work to get those out. I may go ahead and try to move these and see if I'll split that, but that's really a bigger project. It won't take long, but I may just need to save that for another day. I don't know, we'll see. As you see, these are my coneflowers. Reading online, people were saying how difficult they were, so I'm very pleasantly surprised. I was worried about these coming back, but pleasantly surprised that the majority of them did just fine. This one never really took when I first planted it, so that's all that's left, and I left it there, the stick there, just so I know where to plant my new one when I get it. But I did have a couple that did not make it through the winter. So there's one, there's another one that needs to be replanted. So I think there's one that didn't make it on that side either. So I need a total of 4 coneflowers. And the good thing is, Home Depot sells these in the big pots, and there are 3 to a pot. So I'll probably buy 1 big pot and then a small pot and be good to go there. Here are my hostas coming up here. I really don't know what to do with the hostas. I really like them, but this bed gets way too much sun, I think, for these. So they didn't do great when I moved them and replanted them last year. So I don't know. We'll have to see about that as well, because I could put more of the creeping phlox in those areas, and the same is true for this side. There are hostas on that side as well. So if I pull those out, I'll just take the phlox all the way around, which I think that will look great when it grows in. and try to relocate the hostas somewhere else. I don't know where right now. Have some pretty big holes to fill. I don't have any more garden soil to fill those, but that's not a big deal right now anyway. The azaleas are not looking too good. In which, honestly, I can't even confirm 100% that these are azaleas. That's what someone on the internet told me they were, because I had no clue. And my picture this app agreed. Flower buds, but I'm not sure if that's what it is. They're not looking too hot though. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize these. I know that's not really gonna fix whatever issue that is with the leaves. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize these, and then I'll fertilize the right garden bed, everything all at once. So I gotta hook up the hose and grab the fertilizer. This is what I'll be using to fertilize. I saw that if you're just looking for one fertilizer for everything, this is the best way to go. There are more specific fertilizers that could go for the azaleas and other plants that I have, but I didn't want to buy a bunch of different stuff. So some fertilizer gotta be better than none at all, right?
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding.
So the instructions say to scratch it into the first 4 inches of the topsoil, but I can't remember his name. A guy I follow on YouTube says he just throws this stuff out and it does this thing on its own. So that's what I'm gonna do too. He said that moving the mulch is not worth it. It allows weed seeds to germinate and everything. So that's what he does, and he says it's worked for him. So I believe it.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna?
If you made it this far, thank you so much for sticking with me and joining me today. There's so much more to come in the garden this season. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight.